Here's another quick tip about using the time button, the series of dots and dashes that are on your calculator, and how we can use it in speed, distance, time calculations. Have you ever been shown the time button? The time button helps us convert from minutes and hours into a decimal to help us with those speed, distance, time calculations. So in this question where we're using 22 minutes in a miles per hour question, you'd have to convert the minutes into hours, and we can do that using the time button. So when we're thinking of putting that into our calculator, we need to think of it in terms of how many hours and how many minutes. So 22 minutes is 0 hours and 22 minutes. And that's how we put it into our calculator. So using the time button, we press 0 hours and 22 minutes. Press equals, it puts it into a time for you, then a fraction, and then if you press it again, into a decimal. So 0.36 recurring is your answer for 22 minutes in terms of hours. Now, using the formula speed is distance over time, we can now go on to answer this question. The distance is 14 miles, and we've got our time that's stored in my calculator. Now, when you've got a recurring decimal or a long decimal, we do not want to round halfway through a question. So use your answer stored button in that instance. So 14 divided by the answer is what you'd be typing in. That gives us 38. That gives us a time, basically. We don't want the time. We're now going back into the miles, so we need to go back to the decimal, and it gives us an answer of 38.2, or 38, the nearest miles per hour. We can answer our question. Is she going too fast? No, the speed limit is 40. There we go.